Shasie na Ghana de match no. Alliance on the 17th. Nti yebedi mu nkomo na baby a wo hwa wo man de nti ehu yi ase ye ka ho asem ze baby o man sika eta akopa kese. Edrum pempenso se be World Cup a budget ayeye sika ta akom kese pa ye sports no sumu Black Stars jumedie ni ade over the years. And for so ben pa na baso dia mai because this time around in the 21st century and woman be by a friend sports economy. Sports was sikawum sports we di emwa ebre oman Ghana ye gina he bra Facebook be hade and na o share sports DNA report to be a one post to ya which is about sports economy. Say by 2028 en checkra every country and near Breno sports musika ebehuri edru $680 billion. $680 billion by 2028. Ghana ye mucha fa ebenya free me saying ye modern bot saying ayala ewufia na meneno ebetwetwe nkomo nkan wo Nhyira power sports so ayala good morning.
Good morning.
Era Bismarck. Dear na ka ho. Owusu bempa. Ewufia. Ye ne no betwetwe nkomo ahwe. Bismarck. Se o hwe eye sports mu a ye hwiri sika pa. O man ye tue sika pa. Currently 150 million Ghana cedis, which is about $13.7 million. If your budget mu, you see the Black Stars echi me kaka mi chimu hwe school dan do ebetumi asie ene de ebetumi aye ne no ma ebetumi akọ but FIFA nso sika o de ma ye around 12 point something million for the group stages. I mean first start no team bi o be represent bia no na o hwe de ye a o my Black Stars from time memorial besi sabri ye vision say sika ye hwere ne be say nya be hwe o man ni mu no. Is it on course? Anayira.
Okay, me that's it. Me depends wo intro to your discussion here baby.
Yeah.
I reflected the way a majority of Ghanaians over the years based on nkoma ye ya goodie mu enya a wrong perception efa agudie ho nsem ho e Ghana.
Sure.
And why say raise agudie mu investments enkomodie bia na yakwa say impempi no enkofo de school dying hospital problems
who years a conference di kebet me the expansion kakra
say okay say yeah what say approve sika say o gini school dying do an kebet me
yeah
and na emma me in particular
right
emma me real ho
what he
belonging to the sports fraternity no because akwa unim die ntia obeka de okaye no it is simply because we share all the other various sectors of the economy now.
Yeah.
Send obo education, agric, health, and it's na easily me linking to human development.
Sure.
Enti emada sa wo akoko obeka say unim pefe say ketasoshe proye bi koso education mu enu ntino say aban twa sika to wo say yemfancy school dan a o metna radio so da enka say enka sika ye twa to wo say enka de ko si school adan ketasoshe proye ntika ka ye de ko share bi fufuro mu a
enka beboa
de nti a won kasa ne say
sure.
Because easily no all link education to human development enti no matter the challenges are air cost you still believe there must be investment there.
Yeah, sure.
Because you invest here, you nkura ni ye better ya ku school, ye better ni ya ku nyenim there.
It is
the same thing to agric. no matter the corruption I will raise you so when we say a Greek ministry or and I say a Greek policy be and I say project be a yeah no and quay say was say could be a fertilizer be also the coma cocoa for our baby yes katansani mama so because my home can't say because of Sadian Afibiana afidi buy onya fertilizer ne to
tell kwa mo mfa ma
and that is that is the problem. It is simply because untimi nyasa akokodu no nkasa na because o kasa abaka say eh na sa man na fa fertilizer na nkwa e de ne be ni ebedie
yeah
enuanu nu a ye free ekuayo mu ne ye fa na ekwakofa na free
right
enu nti e wo say anytime obi a ye di agodie ho nkomo no the foundation I was say to ne di nkomo ni so and I say send ye oko education oko health oko agric oko transportation oko all the various aspects of the economy no
yeah
ultimately linking it to human development no akoko asana sports so tie o
sa and ye huni
sana sports tie
sports na nkasa it is saying see enim say mo akoshe go no magic up bana
mama classical example say na be ya obehu they are making
right
FCC Accra Academy. A teacher in international school meboa.
Yeah.
Be a doctors, lawyers, politicians.
Yeah.
Mention all professionals in ako through the school.
Sure.
Ako kwase usi Accra Academy school mo sisi How many ya dansidi a ubenya say enkofo si o me ba school we mu na school ne tete me na me koye medical doctor me koye pharmacist enunti maba back to the school say me ba be see science lab ama school no because ehona me so me fa ya maba be nipa
right
how many schools na obenya around her emu professionals will go back give to the school and say oh media may say me a lawyer ni na library na is school mo na me sua ade me kosa wa me di me ti si mu a me pass me wasi ya me de call university ya me de atoto so na me lawyer ntino sa library ho no me kwa koye bibi ho ba woko Accra Academy CCA
yeah
it is visible there's a pitch done by Asamoah named after him because the facility na ne was school money nyina ono so gidi say
aboa no
ne chefa onya ye was school wa ne ama obeye nipa ne nyankopo atimi ato ne nsema ama obeji din ene nuoma wonya obrabo mu nyina e football pitch ne boa no enti na wokwa he has gone to give back to the school
okay indirectly to the society
so far some moja an example ne nko a
okay
e bitwon fo nyini bi a kire won say se sports no so no say nya sa komapa no ne ye link ne say eno so wa akonya say e developing nipa enka e bi asankomo ne ke be jaidi enka we will recognize the challenges we will recognize the loopholes so ketasasa ne employee bi so e ko se ne ekoso education you know se ne ekoso agric se ne ekoso baby ano ne mmom no e wo se e fix it ene kwa say you destroy ade no cry because of sadie no but one na kofa ba sports in some jurofo ya
perception am create ya to your team
exactly
because you don't bring anything
yeah
was more say
even on sports shows you din komo a ubenya sports presenter sports journalist ono this a wonkomo yi bi so because of corruption creating blasters square komo to na me komo film Adetine yesi yakobo mu ho ka $10 million ene bon ko mu free mu no mu brefie na bon ko engu
ne yemfa sika ne nyaade foforo
yes it is because majority of ye wa agokansie ni mu no impo ya giato ye say we will do agokansie mu journalism ni mpo no we don't even understand the industry na ye wo mu no
but some budget ya in fact they said they can $150 million
nya more kra
say
yes
we cry a page from because we share all African games here mama akwenya cha budget ma 2.2 billion Ghana cedis mu wie mu asa aboka 208 million we chire no yes ye betu ye yes ye no 580 million Ghana cedis irregularities nko no ma ya anye ni ye and your minor sika currently o minor so afeni ye recover ye gina so what should be done na yetumi a prevent sa no ma nyina because sports for ye hwe hopa o
see Agukwa, in all honesty,
Yeah.
Se oka se o fan sector by sector.
Right.
Financial scandals are ekoso abanye pompisike gro ere economy mum ebimu.
Yeah.
Na utie auditors report na we corruption na ekoso was our sector wa. Se o ye comparative analysis
Right.
We are sure say agric, education, health, any other sectors of the economy, no, in terms of sika, I cut down the drain because of indiscretions, because of corruption. The Oka was possible.
Say almost scope, no. You also look at the scope. OSHA health sector education are very, very broad. But Momodi, the focus is usually on it's football and those things are more pompe koshima athletics neba and saying 2.2 billion more boka be and the other sports no cry nim de be
say it comes back to my issue say it is easy for you to accept corruption in health.
Perfectly so.
Yeah. But emotional say and investment there.
Because at least you benefiting everyone.
Exactly. And no mama examples say Senka sports for highlighted the benefit of sports and so to this nation. But and only said we shouldn't deal with sports corruption. And me, I have been very, very disappointed in the Ghanaian parliament. Especially the parliament are not a war time and us expose.
Okay. Yeah.
And me are very disappointed in the then Attorney General, Madam Gloria Kufu, and the deputy in Gofedame. Masem Minane Sakokwa. No criminal gun in EBI adring.
Right.
Say a bucket as a shiny prayer was supposed more. And was a year issue la Ghana for ye tackle near ye free.
Yeah.
Send ye beya investment kakra ye be response mono. Boni beka si yebeti me maximize the profit na ye be free mo abano.
Right.
Enunti o sha mama ya etwa ehu ahia. Bebre na omunya akonya eye nsachraye etu anamon wo mu sports corruption when there was a scandal.
Okay. Right.
Into Uko Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka send ye Ghana ye prime sports ye football no. Uko Sri Lanka almost sports kesiye pa or cricket.
Oh, okay.
And maybe a chum. There was a huge scandal in cricket, match fixing, What happened was that the Parliament of Sri Lanka, who say, "Agudi no yaman for nepe."
Yeah.
Omudu omakuma edi echide. Omudi echide dey find the public interest. Omudi echide ntino. And my corporate sponsors so who say one domino war.
Okay.
Edo musika kwasa de dem. Ye aban na nkasa so tu boy afoto na ye ba akohoma. Ye yibi ma wo mo say sports no so mo nye. See ye tena ho amaketa shani project didi sports ni mu sana. The ebeba ni say the public interest ebe start say every sports nim ti afi oka sports kra nkofo nya gidie wo mu biem nkofo mpa biem se ne na Ghana ya bedua obo blasters obo kotoko obo Ghana football bo bibia the upa fa course sie ya people say oh football na gu oh sports na gu
so can you funny ade ya say obi ne
enti the Sri Lanka parliament realize say so o ma anye bibia onfa ho a ye ba bedu baby a Ghana sports na ba bedu ni bi ntakoko what did they do
train
the sports minister then within the parliamentarians no makano saw the need say I also omuko parliament na omuko ye mra ebe criminalize sports corruption ni atudin ye tudin say free na ekro say obi eko engage in any form of sports corruption, whether a yesikana wakwakodi, whether a match fixing, whether or bribe referee, adie bia obeya, a yakata was sports in mubiano. A free necro say a bind chill, so wakudi sa abonina. Nay de oko court, na court to boo far. Sika fine, sentence, prison sentence. Omo de sanu mani nyina enti free sa time na scandal ni si o cricket mu o Sri Lanka ebe si nne no Bonia a course was a scandal anymore. Satam and Reniwana a punishing Tino. Udia Abia, Sri Lanka Cricket Association, Pena, or Modio ethics now, Modbe Panishon. From that point in Econo, Udi Sabonina Biemua, and yet just the Cricket Association. And I didn't mother chew him. Name or mine Ancasa Sumra. And you will be. So why you boniatia or man? That is how you protest sport.
So are you saying it's a Ghana you need Sanchezeno?
Exactly.
You need Sanchezeno.
And Nuntina. Time and us exposed by FIFA and then the tax force by Ghana.
Okay.
Say on your buying Cambodian pay the way forward and the normalization committee by.
Okay.
Godfrey Dame is on record as I'm making what say FIFA delegation in chain. Granting an interview to Ghanaians about how our buying contributed to the restructuring of a football. Dame said it. Say no cranny say so what's anymore. Corruption definition our Ghana hano. It is only defined around public officials. It is a one year bemu nipa o ya aban adwuma. Emrano ma ho kwan me yem fa keta hye proye emmo. Akokwa we si a woti we. Say me bana se me ka se mabema o bribe. Say je na asem bia e koso a wodi nkomo bia me hu nipa bi e wo munti me bawa no na enka. The best say ye hwehwem na ye no kra. The best ye betimi aye is multimedia punishing you. But nobody can take you to court.
Oh, say
wo akokwa ayala baba bribe o. And you know ye charge you court for bribery and
say me work kotoko no ma bribe referee say di ma kotoko and there is evidence that referee no ma bribe no. The
best
there's no law
Ghana is the Football Association. Eka so okay ebia because of Bonia kotoko inti ye demote no and I ye free association nim per the rules of the association by Ghana as or mine can't punish anybody.
The corruption in sports.
Yes, you can't. Because the sports is a private organization, no more you money.
Ghana sports.
And to Godfrey Dame recognize that loophole in our constitution. And he said it on that day.
Now parliamentarians are aware.
That is the problem.
Are they aware?
Oh. You see? Baby I shamra. Baby I yambra. Look at the number of lawyers are more parliament.
I'm surprised.
Until Soka said they are not aware. Say a no man course who Ghana sports muninano. And they sensible mumpa. We don't have any different punishment. There will not be any different consequences if you are found, say, wako Jessica, wako Brabu will be all fixing match. It still goes back to FIFA, any GF, any CAF, or one of me punish or mine and Kasankasa doesn't have the laws. Until that time, you know, what Godfrey Dame was preaching, they say, see, bet me to an more afasadi we soon. Na say CBM or mine no bet me nya authority apanesia. And ya gisi ye say mrenim. And I say ye the LI ba. Na say ye Sri Lanka for criminalizing sports corruption. No. Yes, yes, sir, because in the constitution, unim. So when it comes to criminal offenses, it must be enshrined in the constitution. And a whole punishment might be prescribed. And yes, I would be court and I say on criminal issues. You can't. On criminal issues when you can't state where it is in the constitution.
And from what you are saying, no, say, obi a buying budget ni mukran ye is can be the GFA. So mumfendi juma. Na GFA officials ni bi kra ye corrupt practices bia. Ye bo minister ni di but ye be reasia investigation na GFA officials ni na edi say sika no be the man so nkoya dia. You
can do anything about it. For instance, my more example. You ever start here Ghana League? So what is say through the intervention of a buying or more pompi sika Ghana League.
Yeah,
good. Assuming after Yabo League we are supposed to run audits on all the clubs or more beneficiaries of Sasikana. Now see you find it out to say Manu Susumna to team A, team B, Sikano baby also commode Koshoma fan Koshe, Katasishani Muma Subi Wumua. Even though the money came from government through the GFA to the members, and Emir said these clubs Kotoko, Bechum House of Folk, they are registered as private companies. So Muya Katashani Mumuasumpa. Nobody can take them to court and cite them for corruption.
Because you nimra.
Exactly.
Wow.
And You were there. We call meeting Lancaster when we met the sports fund.
Sure.
You remember I raised the issue to them.
Yeah.
Say above for tour. Say boss sports on bra. The best example to say get fund. The reason why I get fund be year Juma, but the sports fund will find challenges and say send na me no say common as education there. Say corruption or said yeah menu ewa yakuma mu say yentimi nja investing in it because yem crab be school yenso be school the country must go through education.
Sure.
But sports there akukwa obi betimi aka kire say because we've no link it yem home sad no obi betimi aka kire say okay say me what perception say sports and corruption wa na say sports fund aba among almost sources of revenue amudi be wura the bofoto the wura sports team no e be a sports lotto into omo the raffle bi aba na say o lotto bi a wutwa eno hu process ni dey into sports investment. Okay, some more perception say sports na corrupt they are any lotto do kra minja no when you scan bi na dey akoto futuo nim na dey akoma sebi federation for na me what perception say omo corrupt no.
Okay,
that is the reason why I asked the fund manager say and before and you be do some they should have pushed the attorney general. Right. They should have pushed parliament. Saying komunya maybe a boss sports corruption hobra. Then every Ghanaian will know. So okay, say whether directly or indirectly, say me contributed to sports fund na.
Secure.
Near the Ghanaian koma omudu omakodi omujuma. So man first Ghana kwan kwede also mo de kwa na corruption bi ko asotwe betinya abade amawo mo.
Ti as we sit here no. Sports fund no credit can be me akoma ya misappropriating no so there's no law.
It will come from the perception of the people when they say there is sports corruption. When dealing with Sadiana, any other thing be a whole year to canvas sika into the industry now and perceive some corrupt. You will not maximize it.
Right.
That is the point I am making. And my last point you see, a lot of Emra of FIFA, UEFA.
Yeah.
They are inspired by the UEFA Parliament. Remember one example. UEFA Parliament some years ago did their research.
Right.
And almost say omufa enkora 100.
Yeah.
Almost say person bobo at a very very young age. And until your parents age you do omako academy sa. Ofa enkora 100. Emududu a etimi epie ba abonten. Na omunyini be professional footballers in 6.
Hey.
And it is true. Ukwa where you out you bet magaso you see so na nkofo bi no mo ni ball they don't realize they are due to become professional footballers. Yes. And nunti no UEFA Parliament I say because of our research no mo here.
Right.
They are going to tell UEFA to some extent FIFA say omumre ni mu no obi a oba beji license a what football academy bia no.
Yeah.
Eyen shema o say enkrana wo be fa omo ewo academy no you must give them formal education.
Wow. Di wo mane mo born keke obesa akọ school.
Se ne be ya se o na niso ade hu se obesa o professional football se amamu a
obenya ba bia
ko ye kubolo.
Right.
Obetimi akase o ye tete me at least to the secondary school level.
That's great.
Se ne be ya se born far obenya alternative livelihood.
Wow.
That is the reason why ABC ne UEFA Parliament they say UEFA for FIFA picked it up and I am Obi so even Ghana so what ukasa akoko nsi a ukasa what academy so they be footballer I am say every akrabi abefo no academy you must show evidence say o the akwan so abeko formal education.
Wow.
And nti enye no credit say see a parliament no realizing how omumanfo a omuto abama omu ye MPs no e sports di football na chi no I was say omu sensitive to adiana omumanfo ne pe no.
It's true.
And the Ghana ni MP for Bena akukwa eti krom hey. So your campaign akope MP all organizing football gala on the constituency.
It's true.
It means that you recognize people love it.
Yeah.
So why are they not protecting it? Adentino munyamra amane mo ade no ho ban.
That's a challenge.
Na ejade na to ama and then so we read it from Ghana Statistical Service.
Yeah.
Almost say sports and recreation contribution to GDP is around 1.4.
It's
1.4. And no crown they there are people who are challenging South Africa and say enye no kre and that only 0.5%. Sports
say you are not contributing anything to GDP.
Exactly.
Most of us say that is a problem, and so one million who said the problem is with Parliament.
Yes.
There must be laws, and of course, SETME and learning from other countries.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
Very,
but that's the best mark of sure. In the course of World Cup, now Sen can fast one in a run of 16 and you be a young queen and Mukrana say, and what it means 60 million. We are 13 with
also, we are calculating. We are calculating.
And that's a good friend.
Yet to Chrome, must see good board. Cocoa board. And Ukraina, and Ukraina institution, they tongue a good year crown. Omuboka musi yan ten say the benyam faso
e good
but say good football
we boot
about football they are person calculate and unya profit
you calculate ya
we crazy no
na muko to kubi you heard the better this time and that's the best mark usu bempa all right ayala don't know now what's in Kano Nhyira 104.5